guys, today I have my Amazon and my Metro. I ordered it last February 13 and I know what's inside here. It's my FNAF core collection. It only took 3 days for it to go from the US to the Philippines. I don't know how that happened, but yes. Oh yes, this is the Five Nights at Freddy's core collection, and it says here it's for like a teen because it's a horror game. Oh yes, it's kind of shiny, and I want to look at the disc. It's basically the hallway from FNAF 2. That's what the disc shows. Huh?
Welcome to the first day of your exciting new career. Whether you were coached at a job fair, read our ad and screws, bolts, and hairpins, or if this is the result of a dare, we welcome you. I will be your personal guide to help you get started. I'm a Model 5 of the Handyman's Robotics and Unit Repair System, but you can call me Handy Unit. Your new career promises challenge, intrigue, and endless janitorial opportunities. Please enter your name as seen above the keypad. This cannot be changed later, so please be careful. It seems that you had some trouble with the keypad. I see what you were trying to type, and I will auto-correct it for you. One moment. Welcome,
Expedited.
Looks like Funtime Foxy is taking the day off. Let's motivate Funtime Foxy with a controlled shock.
Alright.
Let's try another controlled shock.
Oh, there.
Looks like Funtime Foxy is in perfect working order. Great job. In front of you is another vent shaft. Crawl through it to reach the Circus Gallery control module.
Must be
You can now open the elevator using that bright, red, and obvious button. Let's get to work. Allow me to fill this somewhat frightening silence with some light-hearted banter. Due to the massive success, and even more so the unfortunate closing of Freddy Fazbear's Pizza, it was clear that the stage was set, no pun intended, for another contender in children's entertainment. Unlike most entertainment venues, our robotic entertainers are rented out for private parties during the day. And it's your job to get the robots back in proper working order before the following morning.
Okay.
You are now in the primary control module. It's actually a crawl space between the two front showrooms. Now, let's get started with your daily tasks. Circus Baby had a busy day today. Let's check the light and make sure she's in proper working order.
Alright.
Oh, Circus Baby, we aren't here to play hide and seek. Let's encourage Baby to come out of hiding with a controlled shock. Let's try another controlled shock. There seems to be a power malfunction that is affecting our ability to properly motivate Baby.
Oh.
Please stand by while I reboot the system.
Oh.
I will be offline momentarily during this process.
So
Various other systems may be offline as well, such as security doors, vent
Oh.
locks, and oxygen. Commencing system restart.
Even the O2? God, I'm gonna suffocate. Maybe talk to me.
Motion trigger. Entryway vent.
Oh.
Funtime Auditorium maintenance vent open.
Oh, okay.
Boulevard Gallery maintenance vent open.
Oh no.
Motion trigger. Technician control.
Alright. Baby.
I don't recognize you. You are new. I remember this scenario. However, it's a strange thing to want to do, to come here. I'm curious what events will lead a person to want to spend their nights in a place like this.
Okay, it's time to get the metro hall. Let's see what's inside. I'm not sure. Oh, no wonder it was so heavy. Oh! Surprise, surprise. Chocolate. And some books. Just a few books, trust me. I'm sorry that I couldn't preserve okay, that's only a few books. Right? So this is my first book. It's called The Shore Road Mystery. And it's a classic. All of these are classics except one. And then this says here, The Secret of the Old Mill. And this one is saying, The Tower of Treasure. And this one I think would be my favorite because I think I watched this before and the title was The Adventures of Tom Sawyer, but I'm not really sure if this is the same. But yes, this is The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. Oh gosh. And then this one is Haley and the Big Blast. I'm not sure if that's a children's classic, but yes. This is actually a Hardy Boys collection and they're too heavy for my hands because only one hand is supporting 5 books. Ow. Time to eat some chocolates.